In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Microsoft Outlook Calendar quickly and easily using the most up-to-date method from 2025. Whether you're using the desktop version or accessing Outlook on the web, this guide will take you through the process step by step. We'll make sure you get straight into your calendar so you can view your appointments and organize your schedule efficiently. Let's start by launching Microsoft Outlook. If you're on your computer, simply open the application as you normally would. For those of you who prefer to use Outlook online, head over to your web browser and type in outlook.live.com. This web address will take you directly to the online version of Outlook. Once you've opened Outlook, you're ready for the next step. Now take a look at the bottom left corner of the Outlook window. Here you'll find various icons that help you switch between different functions. What you want to do is click on the calendar icon. It's easily recognizable as it resembles a small calendar with today's date. By clicking this icon, you'll switch your view from the Mail section to the Calendar section. It's a quick transition, and there you have it. Your calendar is now open, and you can see all your meetings, appointments, and reminders right in front of you. Once you're in the Calendar section, the top toolbar offers several view options to help you manage your schedule effectively. You can switch between different calendar views depending on your specific needs. If you want to focus on what needs to be done today, choose the Day view, which shows you a detailed schedule for a single day. If you're looking to plan out your work week, then the Work Week view is ideal as it covers Monday to Friday. For a full overview of your week, the Week view shows all 7 days at a glance, perfect for planning leisure and work activities together. Lastly, the Month view gives a big picture perspective, providing a comprehensive look at what's on your agenda for the entire month. Selecting your preferred layout is easy. Just click the option that best suits your needs today. This will give you a clearer look at your schedule, helping you to organize your time more effectively. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you'll quickly get familiar with accessing and navigating your Outlook calendar, ensuring you're always on top of your schedule. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in streamlining your Outlook calendar usage.